Good morning, my dear children. This is a video which is made for discussing about question answers and exercise questions of chapter 5 of class 7 history. The name of a chapter is the Delhi Sultanate, and in this video you can see question answers, fill-ups and other exercise questions which is given in the textbook, and some fill-up questions which is from inside the textbook I have already discussed, and some questions I have given you after the class, so you can learn that. And along with that, these questions also you can write and you can learn. So let's start our video. We'll start with answer the following questions. Our first question is, why is the period between 1206 and 1526 known as the period of Delhi Sultanate? Answer. During this period, India was ruled by various dynasties. These rulers were called sultans. These rulers ruled from their capital at Delhi, so this period is called Delhi Sultanate. Question number 2. Name the 5 dynasties ruled Delhi between 1206 and 1526. 5 dynasties are the Slave dynasty, the Khalji dynasty, the Tughlaq dynasty, the Sayyid dynasty and the Lodi dynasty. So when such questions are asked, it is not necessary to write the year, so you can write the names. Now the third question. Who were the Mamluk Sultans? The earliest rulers of Delhi were called Mamluk Sultans. Mamluk is an Arabic word that means owned. These rulers were earlier either slaves or son of slaves. Now question number 4. How did Iltutmish save his kingdom from the Mongol threat? Answer. Iltutmish saved his kingdom from the Mongol threat by diplomatically refusing a shelter to Khwarizm, who was chased by Genghis Khan, the Mongol leader. 5. What was Chaliza? Who organized it? Chaliza was a group of 40 powerful Turkish nobles. Chaliza means corps of 40 slaves. It was organized by Iltutmish. So here 5 questions are over. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Why did Iltutmish nominated his daughter Razia as his successor? Iltutmish nominated his daughter Razia as his successor because she was able and brave, and he did not consider any of his sons worthy of becoming a sultan. 7. Why did the slave dynasty decline? The slave dynasty declined after the death of Balban because the successors of Balban were weak and inefficient. Now 8th question. What measures did Balban take to combat Mongol threat? 3 points. The measures taken by Balban to combat Mongol threat are as follows. First point, he constructed new forts and repaired old forts in the northwestern frontier. 2. He kept a strong standing army in the frontier province. 3. He appointed his sons as the governors of frontier province. Now 9th question. 3 points are given. You can learn that. What steps were taken by Balban to enhance the prestige of the king? Balban enhanced the divine origin of kingship. He called the king as the representative of God on earth. Third point. Balban introduced the practice of sajda and paibos in the court to enhance the prestige of the king. Question number 10. Write a short note on Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty. He was liberal and due to his charity he was known as Lakh Baksh. He laid the foundation of Qutub Minar. So here we wind up our answer the following questions. Now we'll move to the objective type questions. First one is name the following. Two slave rulers, Qutbuddin Aibak and Iltutmish. Another names are also there, but you can write this too. Two buildings built by Qutbuddin Aibak, Adai Dinka Chopra and Quat ul Islam. It's a mosque. Third question. Two Rajput kingdoms defeated by Iltutmish, one Malwa, two Jain. Fourth question. Two practices introduced by Balban, Sajda and Paibos. Now match the following. Chalisa group of 40 nobles, Yakut Abyssinian slave, Chinggis Khan Mongol, divine theory of kingship Balban, Tanka silver coin. Now fill up questions. The earliest rulers of Delhi were called Mamluk Sultans. Qutbuddin Aibak was known as Lak Baksh. Now third one, Iltutmish organized a group of 40 Turkish nobles called Chalisa. 4. Razia Sultan was the first Muslim woman to sit on the throne of Delhi. 5. Ghiyasuddin Balban was the prime minister during the reign of Nasruddin Muhammad. So all these are the questions which you have to learn, and some questions are also given earlier while taking the class. So you can watch that, and along with that write the answers and study well for the exams. Thank you.